The Drift by Sanford Lab, where our researchers answer your giant science questions in bite-sized videos. Submit your questions via direct message on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Hi there, I'm Dr. Douglas Tiedt, and I'm a researcher with the University of Maryland working on the LZ dark matter experiment. And today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how we get liquid nitrogen underground. Liquid nitrogen is a great tool for cooling down detector components or producing clean background gas to keep the components safe, but you have to actually get it to where you're going to use it. LZ, for example, we're going to be using about 1,000 liters of the stuff a week during normal operations. In order to keep up with that pace, you can't just carry down a small amount of liquid nitrogen in one go. In order to get liquid nitrogen for our use, we have two main ways of doing this. The first is 180 liter Doers. These are about the size of a small fridge, and these are something that you can push around by hand with a specialized cart. These can be filled and loaded up on the cage at the surface and lowered 5,000 feet underground and wheeled around where you need it if you need liquid nitrogen in a special place. We also have four 450 liter Doers that we use for our main liquid nitrogen supply, and these we refill using a giant 1,100 liter tanker, which is actually on a rail car. We can drive this down the drift underground using one of the 8-ton motors, and we can actually drive it to the surface basically and fill it up without any human interaction involved. And this really makes things a lot safer for us. Thank you, and hopefully you learned a little bit about liquid nitrogen today.